Are you always short on time but still want to burn fat and stay fit? The truth is, you don't need long gym sessions to get results. With the right exercises and intensity, just 15 minutes a day can boost your metabolism, burn calories, and improve your energy levels. This quick fat-burning workout is designed especially for busy people. No equipment needed, no gym required. Just your body, a little space, and commitment. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember, this is a high-intensity routine. Work at your own pace and focus on proper form. We'll do each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of rest. First exercise, jumping jacks. This is the perfect way to warm up your body and increase your heart rate. Stand straight, jump your feet out wide, and raise your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Keep moving continuously. This exercise activates your whole body and starts the fat-burning process. Next, bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting on a chair, then push up to stand. Squats target your legs and glutes while also burning calories quickly. Third, high knees. Run in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. Keep your core tight and move your arms. This exercise boosts cardiovascular endurance and helps burn fat fast. Fourth, push-ups. Place your hands on the floor, slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest toward the ground and push back up. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms while also engaging your core. Fifth, mountain climbers. Get into a plank position. Drive one knee toward your chest, then switch quickly. Keep your back straight and maintain a fast pace. This exercise targets your core and increases heart rate for maximum fat burn. Sixth, lunges. Step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees form a 90-degree angle, then push back up and switch legs. Lunges improve balance and strengthen your lower body. Seventh, plank hold. Hold a plank position with your body straight from head to heels. Engage your core, avoid dropping your hips, and breathe steadily. This builds core strength and stability. Eighth, burpees. Start standing, drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, jump your feet back into a plank, then jump up again. Burpees are powerful full-body exercises that burn a lot of calories in a short time. Ninth, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your shoulders slightly, and alternate, bringing your elbow toward the opposite knee. This exercise targets your abdominal muscles and improves core definition. You just completed a full-body fat-burning routine in only 15 minutes. To get the best results, repeat this workout 4 to 5 times a week. Combine it with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and good sleep. Consistency is the real key to fat loss. Not long workouts, but regular action. Remember, even short workouts can make a big difference when done with intensity and focus. Over time, your stamina will improve, your body will get stronger, and you'll start seeing visible changes. If you're someone with a busy schedule, this routine proves that fitness doesn't require hours. Just 15 minutes of dedication can move you closer to your goals. Start today, stay consistent, and make your health a priority, no matter how busy life gets. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who says they don't have time to exercise. Let's stay active, stay strong, and keep improving every day.